Think about this. How many people do you know that have less than perfect credit, don't have their financial affairs in order, have debt, but do not have a game plan for paying it down, dislike their current job and looking for a change, or need to make some extra money? So when we talk about financial education services, which we'll refer to as FES, this company was founded in 2004, and we're the only credit repair company that has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're debt-free, and we have over 100% in annual sales growth. So what do we provide at FES? We have services that protect your identity, credit, family, and finances, and there's also a very lucrative and life-changing business opportunity. Now, the FES Protection Plan is our flagship service, and it's a membership. So I'm going to cover all of the services that's included in the FES Protection Plan membership. Of course, the main emphasis is on credit, because having bad credit it comes with high costs and fees. So think about it. Your credit is constantly monitored and can impact everything from your interest rates to your insurance premiums. Any type of insurance you have is based on how your credit score is. So whether that's your car insurance, life insurance, rent insurance, it's all based on your credit. Without a strong credit score, you could be denied the ability to rent or purchase a home, to obtain credit cards, and even be denied employment. A low credit score could also cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. Think about it. Several people are paying a BMW car note for a Toyota Corolla because they have bad credit. Just in case you didn't know, the credit bureaus Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are not government agencies. They are privately held billion-dollar companies with no legal authority. They just use the word bureau to make us think that they have government affiliation. They're simply in the business of selling and reporting our credit information for a profit. So think about it. How do you get all the junk mail that says pre-qualified, or maybe you need a cash loan, a payday loan? That's because these credit bureaus sell our information for a profit. Okay. So what do? The division of our company that does the credit repair is United Credit Education Services. Thanks to the Fair Credit Reporting Act law that Congress passed in 1971, you have the right to investigate and dispute the negative items on your credit report. So UCES will help you identify and challenge your inaccurate, erroneous, and or obsolete items. So many people say, well, I did have a repossession, or I did have these medical bills. How are you able to delete those? The dispute is not with Macy's. The dispute is not with the government or the creditor or the student loan authority. The dispute is with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So any type of item on your credit report, whether it's late payments, collections, bankruptcies, judgments, foreclosures, public records, student loans, personal information, inquiries, medical bills, tax liens, repossessions, evictions, if it's on your credit report, this law is what we leverage to get that item either deleted or marked as paid as agreed. Now, this is an example of what your portal will looks like. As a customer, once you become a customer, you have immediate access to your portal to get started on your credit repair. It'll show you your initial credit score. We'll also provide a lot of education so that you'll know how is your credit score calculated. I want to put emphasis on the pie chart in the center there, where you'll see that 30% makes up of your credit score is based off of the amount of credit used. But the largest portion is based on your payment history. 35% of your credit score is based on your payment history. There's process videos all throughout your portal so that you can visually educate yourself on how our credit repair services work and things you can do to help in the process. On the right-hand panel, you'll see you have access to customer support, where you can speak with a live agent at our corporate headquarters office in Michigan. Okay, so you'll never be in the dark about your credit repair. At the top menu, you'll see there's a menu option that says Progress Report. So you may be thinking, well, what's going on with my credit repair? Where am I standing? What's going on? I'm going to show you an example of what a progress report looks like. This particular customer had quite a few items in dispute, but that's okay. As you'll see, it shows the type of the account on the left, the type of account, and then the status is on the far right corner. So if we go to the top here, we have a Capital One credit card in collections. There's an inquiry that's in dispute. There's Wells Fargo foreclosure. You look on the right-hand side, you see it's still in dispute. But as you come down, you'll start seeing some items that have been deleted. So EduServe, student loan, and it was in collections, deleted. Federal government tax lien, deleted. Ford Finance repossession, deleted. Harrison Medical Center collection account, deleted. Okay, this is the power of what we can do by leveraging your legal rights. Also included in the FES Protection Plan membership, you have other services to help you get financially fit. Think of it like a gym membership. You go to a gym membership, you have access to weight training, cardio machines, you can go to yoga, you can go to the pool, right? So the same thing is in terms of your financial health. It's a financial fitness membership. So also included is our My Care plan, which is your living will, trust, medical, and financial powers of attorney. So you get to complete all of this online and get all of your estate planning taken care of. And once it's completed, the company will mail you a binded document that's yours to keep. Also included in the FBS Protection Plan membership, you have access to Credit Builder. You may be wondering, how do I understand my credit? What do they mean by debt to income ratio when I'm trying to purchase and qualify for buying a house? Do I need more trade lines, which we offer? That's you'll learn in the Credit Builder. Maybe you have harassing phone calls from your creditors, collection agencies, right? Or maybe you were a victim of identity theft and have some credit issues as a result of it. Perhaps our credit attorneys sue creditors all the time, and they love getting money for you as the consumer. So you will have access to a credit attorney at no extra cost. Also, you want to accurately monitor your credit, right? You want to get emails and text messages alert when you've had increases in your credit score. Or maybe you want to know, how does my credit score evaluate in terms of getting a job or insurance or getting finance for a car? With our credit monitoring system, you'll be able to know your credit score immediately and be updated anytime there's a change in your score. Also included in the FBS Protection Plan membership, you have FBS Debt Zero. We're advertised every day on the radio, social media, on TV, billboards on how to get into debt. Come buy this car. Come get this credit card for the rewards, right? But how do you get out of debt? How do you, offset some of the interest? How do you take a 30-year mortgage on a home and pay it off in 20 years using the same budget? They don't teach us these things in school. So with our FBS Debt Zero calculator, you'll be able to put in your debt and it'll give you a game plan of getting out of debt. LifeLock has partnered with us to bring you the world's #1 identity theft protection. So identity theft, unfortunately, is the world's fastest growing crime. And this can affect you whether you have good credit or bad credit, right? Someone can take your identity, go to school, go to the doctor. They can change your address online with a click of a button, and if, God forbid, you have great credit, people will, the thieves have gotten smart. They say, why would I break into your house and get something old when I can just steal your identity and get something new? So if you're not monitoring your credit, then who is? So that's why, to go towards the financial fitness, we partnered with LifeLock to bring you identity theft protection, so that anytime something is using your name, birthday, social security number, you will be notified to see if it's fraud or if it's actually you. Also, we have a financial lockbox that's included in your membership. Think of this as a virtual safety deposit box where you have one password protected area to store all of your important financial information. So you don't have to put the actual account numbers, but at least you can know, here's the number where I have my car insurance policy, where I have my life insurance policy, where do I have my income, who do I bank with, all of this important information, so that you can have a place to start in the event that you're a victim of a natural disaster or burglary. Where do people start when there's been a hurricane and they've lost all of their documents? If they had a financial lockbox, they would have a safety net and somewhere to start to get their life back in order. Also included in the FBS Protection Plan membership, do you know anyone who takes prescriptions on a regular basis? With our membership, you have a prescription discount card, which allows you to save potentially 10 to 85% on your prescriptions. You can log in, search the database, and see where you can find the biggest discount, or simply show your discount prescription card to the pharmacist. And with this, you can share your discount card with anyone in your family across the United States. Also included are travel discounts. So no longer will you need to hire a travel agent or spend time on Priceline, Hotwire, when you can just log into your very own Protection Plan membership and get access to the best discounts on travel. You can also speak with the travel agent who can help you coordinate a trip or a family reunion, and there's no additional cost. Also, many people shop online nowadays. We've partnered with over 4,000 retailers, including Walmart, Macy's, and several other big retailers, to give you cashback incentives for shopping online. So those cashback savings that you receive will be directly deposited into your bank account. Also included in the FBS Protection Plan membership, we have a program for children with our Youth Financial Literacy Online Family Mint program, where you can participate with your children on money management education. Also, we don't offer health insurance, but we do have a portal in which you can find savings on any type of insurance that you may need for your entrepreneurship. Also, only agents get a life insurance policy up to $100,000. There's no medical exam. It is guaranteed issue. We have some people who need to get their credit repaired who decide to become an agent simply because they want the life insurance policy with no medical exam, all right? So again, the life insurance is just for agents. Another great thing about our protection plan membership is that the company realizes the reason why 8 out of 10 Americans today have less than a 600 credit score, or the reason why 8 out of 10 Americans today have 0 savings in their bank account, right? Is because we didn't learn these things in school. So we've established what's called the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation to educate students about money management. And our program is voluntary. We provide the workbooks, and we even donate $500 per class that participates in our money management program for students across the United States, ages 8 to 18. So how are we able to afford this? As a member or an agent, you will automatically be donating $2 per month towards the YFL. Yes, so the FES takes $2 from every member every month and contributes that payment towards the YFL to offer these education to students. Additionally, we're able to afford to give away scholarships to students. And fortunately, this year, we were able to award $250,000 to help students prosper with their college education. So just have peace of mind knowing that you're contributing to making sure our future is better when it comes to money management. So the FES Protection Plan membership with all of those amazing services I described, including credit restoration, it is offered to our customers for a one-time activation fee of $99 and $89 a month. So if you wanted to get started as a customer, that's $188 to get started, and then $89 a month moving forward with no